This is Gene Key, Skyserve, Texas News. From Texas, now on the hook after questioning citizenship status file. 3 months after first questioning the citizenship status of almost 100,000 registered Texas voters, the Secretary of State agreed to end reviewing the voter rolls for supposed non-citizenship. The deal was struck Friday as part of an agreement to settle 3 legal challenges brought by more than a dozen naturalized citizens and voting rights groups against Texas. The groups allege that the voter citizenship review, launched in late January, was unconstitutional and violated federal protections for voters of color. Secretary of State Whitley's office currently ordered to instruct local officials to take no further action on the names of people it had classified as possible non-U.S. citizens. And county officials now charged with notifying the 100,000 voters that their registrations are safe. The state is also on the hook for $450,000 in cost and attorney's fees for the plaintiffs' lawyers. From the Measles Continues Unabated file. The measles outbreak continues to spread in the United States, surpassing 700 cases this year, federal health officials announced Monday. The virus now found in 22 states. 15 measles cases have been reported in Texas so far this year, with infections in Bell, Bexar, Collin, Dallas, Denton, Harris, Galveston, Guadalupe, Jefferson, Montgomery, and Tarrant counties. The Texas Department of Health Services issued a health alert earlier this year, urging health care providers to consider measles when diagnosing patients. There have been no confirmed measles deaths in the country, but officials have said it's just a matter of time. Texas allows students to attend schools without first getting vaccinated. Parents get a medical exemption from a doctor or sign a notarized affidavit stating they decline vaccinations for their children for reasons of conscience due to religious beliefs or a personal choice. From Texas may allow more information sharing. A possible law allows Texas to join a robust database that serves as a public repository for violent crimes, notably sexual victimization. The Texas House gave preliminary approval Monday to Molly Jane's Law, a measure geared to help law enforcers better track sexual assaults and prevent Texans from dying at the hands of serial offenders. The goal of House Bill 3106 is to help investigators who can look for similarities in cases they are working on. The measure, named after Molly Jane Matheson, a 22-year-old Fort Worth woman murdered 2 years ago. HB 3106 would help law enforcers identify patterns of sexual assaults, identify serial offenders before there is another person victimized. Texas lawmakers have until the end of their legislative session, May 27th, to pass HB 3106. This is Gene Key reminding you to visit us on YouTube, Facebook, or Tumblr at Skyserve News Service.